This is what we do, man. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Good Money. Alright? And when we happy and we excited and we like what we see, we say two words. Ow, ow. Okay? There's a lot of people that don't like to clap. There's a lot of people that don't like to show support. There's a lot of people that don't like to show love. So goddamn, you know what we do? Ow, ow. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get this show started. Can I have a few people just come up here real quick? Just come up. We're about to get into it. I want to introduce my sexy co-host for tonight. Her name is Diamond. Can y'all give her a round of applause real quick? The first judge of the night, a real good friend of mine, former vice president, Island Def Jam or whatnot, RCA Records. Let me introduce him to the stage, y'all. Mr. Michael Rohan. Give a round of applause, y'all.
What's good, y'all? I'm gonna keep this real quick. He kind of said it just in a nutshell. I'm a former vice president of Def Jam Records and RCA Records. Got a group here, one of my star groups, Tribe Brothers, gonna be performing tonight. My production team, we produce Notorious for B.I.G., Imaginary Player for Jay-Z, Sunshine for Jay-Z, Beans Die, and I'm gonna stop right there. One of my producers that's also gonna be judging is Prince Maestro. He's responsible for producing that Keisha Cole's "Let It Go." If you heard that Fantasia joint, he's produced for my man Joel Ortiz, that Royale, yeah. And hopefully everybody I know everybody's gonna do a good job, but we're looking forward to it. So I'm gonna bring the next judges up real quick.
Okay, so our next guest judge is Lyndon from A&R, consultant for Jive Records.
Big Lyndon, come to the stage. Jive Records in the building, y'all. You heard? People's brother.
What it do? Excited to be here. Basically came to see the fresh new talent in New York, all across the country. I'm pretty sure Good Money had everybody come from freaking Canada and Mexico and shit. So basically looking for the new talent, the hot artists. So step your game up. Let's see what you got. Peace.
Last special judge we got for the night, Prince Maestro, produced Lloyd Banks, Joel Ortiz, Keisha Cole, Fantasia, Jim Jones. Get him up, y'all. Prince Maestro, come to the stage, brother. I want to bring up the first act of the night real quick. My man is just a feature for the night. Some of y'all know him, some of y'all don't. My man is real big. He got music on Hot 97, Power 105.1 right now. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to give it up real quick for my man, Sarge Bacardi. Come to the stage, big homie.
Oh my God, you on a bench, getting my water. Literally, you ain't playing in this game. Well, me, I ain't playing in this game. I'm winning. I'm winning.
Diamond, talk to the people. So we got coming next to the stage.
Chips the General.
Chips the General, my man. Sony. Chips, where you at, big homie? Give him a round of applause, y'all. Chips the General.
Now, it was something DMT, but it's profession now. Couldn't afford dinner, now it's Mr. Childs. Open up the closet, pressure nigga, Vinny style. Try front nigga, stupid, y'all like Goonie Brown. Cody Silver, the new king of town. Yes, I'm laying down.
Next to the stage.
D Chambers,
D Chambers, who you at, big homie? Bring it to the stage.
Brooklyn, right here.
Okay?
Listen to this. You look at the Bentley, the American dream. Get in front of all these cameras and flat that cream. Bunch of groupies all around them, popping the bottles. Niggas straight stunting with these sub-zero models. You can follow me on Twitter, you can see I'm right behind them. About lap their ass twice to the point you can't find them. My niggas in jail, my plan won't fail. Let the city feel me like the blind dude's real.
Shout out to Good Money, cause he keeping the shit straight. And I love the shirt, the half the colors the Crips hate. Killing it, baby. Ooh.
That's right. So instead of talking about fucking out, work up in the block, I teach you about crosses with circles on the top. Take it in the bullshit, you heard what I said. New generation being misled. Lyrical swords decapitate heads. So skill wise, we do these motherfuckers all day. Murder. Weak MC. Had your time in the spotlight, please.
How y'all doing? My name is Antonio Flo, straight out of Brooklyn. 19 years old, still in high school, you already know.
To the crib, that's where I'ma take it. Just better get butt naked. I curse, I drink, I smoke, I love, I cheat. I curse, I drink, I smoke, I love, I cheat. I curse, I drink, I smoke, I love, I cheat. I curse, I drink, I smoke, I love, I cheat.
I go by Lady Stones, First Lady of Marcy. I am a Brooklyn representative. I represent New York, the whole class. Yes, hood, ain't no need for cream, bitch. Dip, 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 pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, dip, pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, 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 pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, dip. Can I get a ooh, nah, nah, ooh, nah, nah? Come on, y'all. Ooh, nah, nah, ooh, nah, nah. I said, dip, 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 pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, dip, pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, 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 pop, lock, and loaded. Dip, dip, pop, lock, and loaded. Ooh, nah, nah, ooh, nah, nah.
Y'all go by the name of IC, this my nigga Lambo, we represent Flatbush, Brooklyn. Yeah! Call FJ, $1 Million America, you already know. This my nigga got me feeling like I'm sitting on top of the world. Yeah! Oh, this my nigga got me feeling like I'm sitting on top of the world. Yeah! Hey! You can see me shining. You can see me shining. You can see me shining.
Alright, we're gonna do something different. This is called Money and Hops.
I got the strange habits. In my sleep, I see the green rabbits. See, I got the strange habits. In my sleep, I see the green rabbits. I search my bed and in the kitchen cabinets. No green rabbits. I swear I see them at night.
Paper man, also known as ATM. Yeah. You need some money, mommy, get on the skip and paper man. I don't care what it's been. Just make sure that you bring the ink. Need some guys like that, then I can tell you the paper man. Hey yo.
New York got a problem, I got a problem. You got a problem, she got a problem. New York got a problem. I know life is hard. You never know where you're gonna go. Every day when I'm awake, I pray and thank God just to see another day. I know life is hard. You never know.
So Brooklyn, 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 so Brooklyn. If you're from Brooklyn, nigga stand up and throw your hands up and keep your hands up. Throw your hands up and keep your hands up.
And now y'all all confused and don't know what to do. It's really how me, about me, not you. Y'all probably got it twisted, you can say I look different. And if you disagree, try asking the mirror's opinion. Yeah, I separate, even when it's about the fall. Cause she the type of girl I fall in love with and probably more. I can't imagine it, the thought of you.
Trying to be that girl I wanna dance. It's kinda scary, but don't you worry.